We have very important updates and many airdrops to go and check the claiming status for yourself. So we jump straight onto the laptop, and before everything, I wanna showcase you a few important, in my opinion, very important ZORA NFT that you need to go and get for yourself because they are in partnership with other important projects. So this is no weird NFT that you find on the homepage. We got the first one, which is the Uniswap launch over here, and the links will be down below so you can go straight to it. They cost absolutely nothing, only gas fees to go and proceed them. As you see here, I own one. There is the Uniswap launch over here. So Uniswap, Blast, and ZORA could potentially be integrating with 3 different protocols. We then have the official one from the image.zora. So this one, definitely a must-have. I do have one as well. Here is simply gas fees as always. So definitely go and get this one. Then we got this video over here, which is from ZORA as well. So another integration with the ZORA ecosystem. Even though it is a video, it costs the same, only gas fee 0.0007 ETH, as we see over here. So make sure to go and get it for yourself, as well as this one over here. These are the 4 NFTs that I am suggesting you today to go and get it. They are all officially from ZORA. And the first one is with Uniswap, Blast, and ZORA as well. So if you can, make sure to go and get them all. Otherwise, choose one, whichever you want. And they are very, very important. They are officially from ZORA, they are from Blast, they are from Uniswap. There is no weird, this not this one that you see over here made from other people. So make sure to go and pick them, make sure to go and collect them, and you will be getting yourself eligible for the airdrop over on ZORA. Next up, I want to let you know that I am giving away the Nibiru allocation over here. I'm probably going to give away the USDC. I know it's not a lot, but it is just a simple thank you. And I'm learning how to do this giveaway. So what I have decided to do over on my Patreon, it is absolutely free to go and join, or you can decide to go and support me for $4.99 a month. But for the airdrop, is absolutely free. You simply sign up to the free version of my Patreon, and you comment over here the simple fact of your wallet address, like other people are doing it. Comment your wallet address, the Arbitrum wallet address, and I will send you the USDC equivalent for the airdrop. I will pick one winner out of the comments and I will send it to you. I think this is the easiest way to go and do it. But talking about the airdrop, now we have many airdrops to go and talk about that you can claim. We got over 12 airdrops, and we are gonna start right here. We got the lab airdrop that is incoming, and you are able to go and claim it through CoinHole. So this is the website. As you are able to go and see, I have no rewards to claim. Everything is on the Cosmos side of things, so on the Kepler wallet. Make sure that if you are a utilizer, if you are a user, stick until the end, because there's a lot of airdrops that you probably don't even know. Some of them have NFTs requirements, some of them have testnet requirements, some of them have simply transaction requirements. So the first one is the lab airdrop incoming, and we got it on the CoinHole. The website is down below. You can claim it until April 30th. So you only got 2 or 3 days left. Make sure to go and claim it. And if you wish to support, make sure to leave a like on the video as well. We got a snapshot taken on April 30th. And this is for Luna wallets, Whale wallets, Kuju wallet that migrated to Megalo as well. Next up, we got the RSTK airdrop over here, which is live once again on CoinHole. And this one was for the Mad Scientist X, as we see over here, for the project over there, people that integrated and went and have part with it. We can have 2 claim links for the airdrop for various communities on Terra. So if you are a community member of the Terra, or airdrop to various communities on Megalo, Osmosis, and Juno, there are 2 different links, which I will be leaving down below. And you have the possibility also then to go and swap and make money out of it. But as you see over here, if you have the rewards, you are able to see it right on the left corner over here. Next up, we got the STRD airdrop season 16 is now live to be able to go and claim. This is the website. You simply connect your wallet over here. You connect your Kepler wallet, you connect to Stride. And if you go and approve it, you will see that you have the possibility to receive the airdrops if you are eligible. I personally am not eligible for the airdrops. I do not think that I have even interaction with this. This is the new one. This is the remaining. This is the details. Simply click over here and you get ST here and hold it on Stride to be eligible for future airdrop. I personally do not have it, so I know this, I am not eligible for it. Or go and check out the other one as well. If you are eligible, you will get the possibility over here, especially if you got Dimension or TIA token already staked. Next up, we got the AVL Unification Airdrop, which is already here. A lot of us have already gone and claimed it. So if you haven't done it, or if you simply missed it, simply go to the website over here. You can claim, check the eligibility, and you can connect different wallets. You have the possibility of the eligibility for the Ethereum wallets, such as Arbitrum, Polygon, OP Mainnet, or ZK Syncera. I'm not eligible. If you got any AVL wallet, such as the Manta wallet, you can connect that as well. GitHub, Starknet wallet, Twitter, and the X wallet as well. So make sure to go and check it out, because these are a very vast things. And I've seen people saying that they got one wallet, yes, the other one didn't connect. So just check if you got multiple wallets, check with all of the multiple wallets that you have, which is very, very important. Next up, we're gonna go and get ourselves the AXV DEX airdrop, which airdropped over 3.2 million AXV token to campers who minted the astronomy patch, which means if you are part of this one, if you did connect yourself with the Astro Vault, make sure to go and check it. What is Archway? Well, it has the possibility to explore the value capture chain where builders and rewarded are user experienced in best of crypto. It is quite well known with 77,000 followers, so I'm assuming some of you will be eligible, and let me know if any of you are eligible. We have the claiming situation over here, which you can go and claim right away, as we see over here. I confirm to be this true. Welcome to the Astro Vault. Connect your wallet to start. But as you see here, I didn't even connect my wallet to start, so I never even started it. Simply go over here, go onto the dashboard, and you will be able to receive your airdrop if you have been participating in it. Next up, we got the the wormhole airdrop. This is probably the oldest airdrop in the list, but you can now claim the worm airdrop. If you haven't connected yet, or if you haven't checked it yet, better saying, make sure to go and connect all of everything, all of your wallets, Kepler wallet, EVM wallet, Solana wallet, Injective wallet, as you see over here. Connect them all, proceed, and check out if you have the possibility to be eligible. I personally, I was not eligible for this, and we did see it already a long time ago, but make sure to go and check it out also for the Phantom wallet, for example, or the EVM wallet, such as the MetaMask wallet. You can connect it over here and check it. I personally was not eligible for any of them, but let me know if you are in the comments below. Next up, we got the an airdrop for Pyth users as well as Injective user. Over here, we see that the Helix app received a total of 2 million Pyth, which is being distributed to early users of the decentralized exchange. You can claim through the helixapp.com over here website, and you can connect your wallet, check your eligibility, and tweet to enable the claim. So a simple claim is by enabling it, and you have simply need to go, and requirements was to stake one Injective token. If you have it, make sure to go and check it and claim your Pyth if you haven't done it yet. Next up, we got the Source airdrop over here from Source Protocol. The eligibility was to be stacking more than 50 atoms. If you have stacked more than 50 atoms by the time that the snapshot was taken, which was between Q4 of 2022 and Q1 of 2023, so we're going back in time, the snapshot was taken before that, and the airdrop was live a couple of months ago, and it should be already in your wallet. So if this one there's nothing to claim, it should be in your wallet. Simply go and check the source token in the list of assets and check the deposit, or you can stake them. By doing this, simply go to your Kepler wallet. You can manage your Kepler portfolio, open up this page, and we are gonna go and check out the proper source in the list of assets. So simply go to the search chain, which we did say it was the Cosmos over here, and you can go and check your token on the situation down here. Simply click for the source airdrop, the source token over here, and check it out. If you have the possibility to go and receive them, it should already be in your wallet. If you have them, it should already be there. Like, it shouldn't be something that you would be looking for. If you don't have it, then you are not going to be able to receive it, or it simply means that you do not have it. If you do have it, you can go and stake them. You can go to your dashboard, you can go to the exploration page, you can go to the chain, you can go and put anything that you want. But let me know if you did receive this one as well. Next up, we're gonna go to another older airdrop. This was the MPWR airdrop. It should already be in your wallet, and the eligibility was for the stars, the Osmos, the Region, the Check QD, the IXO, and the JKL stakers. I do not stake personally any of them. The snapshot was taken last year, a couple of months ago, 9 months ago, and it should already be in your wallet. So simply check this one out as well on your wallet. You need to add the MPWR to the Kepler wallet, and one way is to do it is via ping.pub, which I will leave link down below, and then you have the possibility to find it directly in your wallet. Next up is the Flix airdrop, which you need to collect. If you claim the Flix airdrop towards the end of the campaign that ended on January 9th, your Flix either just finished teaming or about to finish on the stream pay. Takes 30 days. Go over here to the stream pay.me/all, which you have it over here. Connect your wallet and check if you are eligible for this airdrop. Personally, never utilize it, so I'm for sure not eligible, but let me know if you are down below. Next up, we got the All-in Bits Inc. GovGen chain, and the GovGen token is now live. This one, it's a secure networks and decentralized application for the Web3. You needed to vote no or NWV on the Cosmos proposal 848. So this one was no stacking, no funds requirement. This was simply a voting situation, kind of like what we did with Jupiter back on Solana, on the Jupiter on the LFG platform, which we voted for something. Here is the same. You simply have to vote for the 848. And you can add the GovGen to the Kepler wallet through the link down below, or you can stake the GovGen as well if you need it. Let me know if you have received it. If you were a voter, then you also received this airdrop for basically free. We then got the SAGA mainnet, which is now live. We all know the SAGA airdrop was big. If you haven't or if you missed it, make sure to go and check them and go and claim it through the links down below. You can choose the validator. You cannot click any link for claim. It is already in your wallet. So simply go and check on the wallet, on the Kepler, on the chains, look for the SAGA. And if you do have it, you should have it already over here. As we see, I have not received the airdrop, but it should be already over here. Nothing to claim. You simply see your potentials over here. Next up, we got the HAVA airdrop, which is in your wallet, and you can swap and add liquidity pools in it on the Osmosis zone. You can swap Osmos to HAVA, and it is very, very simple. Simply check the HAVA coin. If you didn't lock up for 6 months staking with HAVA, you can now trade or LP your HAVA airdrop, and it is very, very simple. You can go to the hava.com website over here and make sure to get the right one. It's not loading because I think I have too many tabs open, but it is very important. Make sure to go and add the liquidity pools. Make sure to do everything that you need. And if you can, go and utilize it as you wish. Potentially, I mean, it was a very basic airdrop, and I think anyway, I would potentially sell it. It was not something special from HAVA. Like, it was, I don't know, it was not the best airdrop in my opinion. A lot of people just upset with it. Next up, we got the Toro meme airdrop. This is the Toro coin over here, which includes the milk TIA holder. So if you're staking TIA, you receive milk TIA and you're holding it, congratulations, you are now eligible. Or you need to stake 2 TIA before the December 13th, which was the snapshot was taken. If you did before that, simply go to the airdrop, torocoin.com/airdrop. You got 14 days to claim, and we are about to end those 14 days. So make sure to go and get them right now. Next up, we got the CR Bro Strikes back with an airdrop. As we see over here, this is the token, it's the Burnist chain. It's a meme drop. This time is for the Burnist chain. So let me know if you receive it. It's worth it, potentially not. The snapshot was taken on February 14th, Valentine's Day 2023 as well. And the eligibility was for the CR Bro stakers and 14-day LP. For the Tier 2 was a 7-day LP, as well as the NFT holders, liquid, unstake, and unbonding are not eligible for this airdrop. We follow up with an update on the Pac-Moon airdrop over here. It also is gonna end in 3 days. So if you haven't already made it, make sure to go and participate in the Pac-Moon airdrop. It's simply tweet about Pac-Moon, tag Pac-Moon as well, and you will be eligible for a like. If they like your tweet, you are receiving the airdrop. Very, very simple. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below which one you have the possibility to, and make sure to go and collect your ZORA NFT. With that said, thank you for watching and see you later. Ciao, guys.